Hi, I'm Leanne Gunnell, your real estate advisor and strategist in South Metro Denver. If you're buying or selling a home, there's one part of the property most people don't think about until it becomes a very expensive problem. Let's talk about the top 5 things you need to know about the sewer line, cleaning, and scoping. This isn't just homeowner homework, this is protecting your investment. So number 1, it's not just about toilets, it's about the whole property. Most folks think of the sewer line as something that only matters if a toilet backs up, but it's much bigger than that. The sewer line connects your entire home to the city system. If it's blocked, cracked, or collapsed, it can affect everything: sinks, showers, laundry, even your foundation if water starts pooling underground. Whether you're buying or selling, it's essential to know the health of that pipe before anything else moves forward. Number 2, sewer scopes reveal what you cannot see. A sewer scope is a small camera that travels through the line, giving you a full look inside. It can show tree root intrusion, cracks, grease buildup, corrosion, you name it. And here's the key: a typical home inspection won't catch any of that. For buyers, a sewer scope offers peace of mind. For sellers, it's a proactive step that can help prevent last-minute surprises during negotiation. Number 3, regular cleaning extends the life of the line. Just like your car needs regular oil changes, your sewer line needs regular, routine maintenance too. Because over time, sludge builds up, roots sneak in, gunk collects. A simple cleaning every few years can keep the system flowing and extend its life significantly, especially in older homes or homes with large mature trees. It can be a deal breaker or a deal maker. Number 4, buyers today are savvy. Many request sewer scopes during due diligence. If something serious is uncovered, it's after the inspection deadline. That can mean your price drops, delays, or even losing the deal. On the flip side, if you're a seller and you've already scoped and cleaned your line, that's a selling point. It builds confidence, and it might just be what tips the offer your way. Number 5, prevention costs hundreds, repairs can cost thousands. Let's talk dollars. A sewer scope costs about $150 to $300. Cleanings run about $200 to $500. But if that pipe needs to be dug up and replaced, that could be $2,000, $8,000, $12,000. I've been involved in one that was $25,000, sometimes even more. This is one of those situations where a little knowledge now can save a whole lot of money later. So here's the tip: whether you're buying or selling, schedule a sewer scope now. Before you list, as soon as you go under contract, just for regular routine maintenance of your home. It saves time, stress, and possibly could save your entire deal. So next time you're thinking about that dream home or getting your place ready to hit the market, don't forget the sewer line. It's out of sight, but definitely shouldn't be out of mind. If you need a trusted local pro, I'm happy to connect. I know the right people. My name's Leanne Gunnell, your real estate advisor and strategist in South Metro Denver.